So there is our garbage Kraton. It's not garbage because it's bad, it's garbage because someone dumped it in the trash, and there was a lot of small issue to fix with it, but it's kind of working now. I wanted to go right now and make a video and showing you like how good it's after we clean everything, but I find a problem that it's a common problem that I will show how to fix. When they made those Arrma Kraton, they did not put a bead locks on it, and what happened is this: the tires are popping up. So when you go fast, the tire flying off the rim. Let me show you real quick how to fix it. It's very easy, so stay tuned, I'm doing it right now. Okay, so first thing first, never try to glue the tires on top of the car because you need to check front and rear. So let's do this really quick. Use the tool made to take the wheels out. Do not try to do that actually in any other way. Now, while it's out, first thing I want to check that everything here is actually good. It's a little bit wobbly, but they all like this, so it's actually pretty much normal. Let me move the car away. And we're going to put over here. Oops. We're going to put the tire. Let's see, can you see the tire good? Actually, let's do that this way. This will be better. Okay, so as you can see, this is a problem. So you cannot just go and pour glue in it and hopefully that say, oh, it's gonna grab. You need to actually clean it. So the way that you clean it, you take rubbing alcohol and you spray over everything. What the rubbing alcohol is going to do is going to remove all the mold material that come from the factory inside here. So you have to move it, kind of prime it out, open it up a little bit and clean. And what you're doing is actually removing all the wax and everything that got inside while they were actually making those tires. After you remove this, it will be easier for everything like to actually get glued. Now, while you do the front, if you look at the back, you need to stretch it and see that like it's kind of not really damaged at all, but you have to check all of them. At the same time, check that the inside over here, the hexagon is not damaged or anything, and it's very important because those axes keep breaking on people, like you keep chewing them. Now, right now we just put inside the rubbing alcohol, and if you crimp it all the way out, you can see that it's going to vaporize right away. The same here. Let's clean this one a little bit dirty. All this is oil that was trapped between. Okay, this looks better. Now, I highly recommend when you're doing this to put gloves on your hands. I'm not going to do it right now because my hands are already dirty. But this glue, if it's dropping into your hands or in your clothes or in your eyes, it's very, very bad. So I'm going to flip this thing open. And I'm going to put a generous amount, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually play with it a little bit, and I'm trying to kind of massage it in. The reason is because I want it to sink in all the way. Sound like a baby bird. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area and pour again some glue inside and play with it. Let it actually pour in, so it's going to get glue much better than what they did in the factory. Then we're going again here. Now you have to be a little bit careful because the fume from this are pretty annoying and very bad for your eyes. And again, always be very careful when you do that. Do it gently so it's not gonna splash into your face. And we almost getting there to the round. A little bit more here. Yeah, it's a little bit dirtier than what you want to see usually, but it's a car from the garbage, so nobody care. See here that it's need in this corner just a bit more, but that's it. It just got in there by itself. And we have the last corner right here, and actually it's funny because the beginning where we start doing it, it's already completely caught here. It's like very hard to move, so I'm not even gonna try, but I'm gonna try to sip the glue all the way in, so it's gonna get full. Open it up, and that's it. Now I know I have some excess glue over here. To remove it, I'm just gonna tap it, and that's it. Okay, whatever left will break when you run the car, it will actually break off from the rubber on the outside and disappear. So it's not actually a main problem for you. And this is very simple how to fix this problem of the tire popping up. Now let's go outside and actually bash with this car and show you what performance you can pull out of it. So as you can see, our wheel is already set up with the tires and it's ready to go. Let's go outside and I'll show you. Like, this is a really beat up Arrma Kraton. Was in the garbage, probably someone used it in salt water, rust everywhere. The motor was kind of half dead, but we're still using the same power system. Now I'm gonna put a bumper on it. Is another video that they're gonna do to put a stronger bumper, and then we can go crazy. But we should just go and test it in the parking lot real quick.